And this is for Joakim that stands and eat breakfast. I hope you have stopped with that.
Between you and me, guys, I still do it. I say I'm gonna stop, but when I stand there and eating and think, oh, I'm so effective, I use my time so well, so I decide I'm never gonna stop that.
Distract yourself when you have cravings. Or you can also delay it. If you have cravings, they are usually temporary. They will pass within maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes usually. So do something else to shift your focus. As Joakim said, call a friend, go for a walk, clean your house, do something physically that kind of makes you forget it.
I hear they say that. And they're probably right.
I think so. Make it colorful, tasty, delicious, but healthy, because then it is a lot easier to stay on your plan.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today's episode is about how to avoid cravings. Ever found yourself elbow deep in a bag of chips and wonder, how did I even get here? Cravings hit hard, but they don't have to control you. Today, we're diving into practical and science-backed strategies to take your power back. Let's get started.
The thing is, hunger intensifies cravings. So don't skip your meals. I hear so many people say that they want to go down in weight, so they just don't eat. And then by the end of the day, they start just munching, you know? They eat whatever they come across because they're so hungry. So don't make yourself hungry, because that's a strong feeling that can lead you into temptation. It's a lot better to eat more regular meals and, of course, meals that contains a lot of proteins and healthy fats, because it will keep you full longer. A great tip is to start your day with a high protein breakfast, because that can reduce cravings later on. And we'll give you some examples on that to make it easier. So one good tip is to make and use eggs, because it contains a lot of proteins. So if you, for example, make an omelette with vegetables and cheese, another option is boiling egg and having them on a avocado toast, for example. I use that a lot. Or you can make scrambled eggs with smoked salmon, for example. Then you combine the proteins and the healthy fats. And there's so many recipes, so many options, but try to always contain some proteins and healthy fats. You can also make something that contains meat or fish, like turkey or chicken sausage with scrambled eggs and spinach, for example. Greek-style breakfast wrap. That, of course, contains a whole grain tortilla, grilled chicken, egg whites, and tzatziki. Or you can have tuna and breakfast bowl. Some other options are more with dairy, like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, or, for example, skyr. That has a lot of proteins, and it is a better option than just normal yogurt.
And if you want some vegetarian option, you can make a protein smoothie, plant protein pulver, almond butter, banana, oats, and soy milk. Or you can use a chickpea flour pancake with avocado and cherry tomatoes. Whoa, sounds delicious. I start to get hungry when I think about this. And you can also add on, to boost your protein, add a scoop of protein powder to oatmeal or pancakes. Mix chia seeds, hemp seed, or nut butter into your breakfast. Use high protein bread, wraps, or milk substitutes like soy or pea protein milk. And the fiber is great. Fruits, vegetable, and oats slow down your sugar absorption, which control your cravings and keep your blood sugar level stable. Healthy fats can be beneficial in managing craving, particularly for unhealthy carbohydrates like sugar, snacks, and processed food.
And some examples of that healthy fat can be avocado. That is rich in fats and fiber. nuts and seeds that provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Olive oil, which is a good source of healthy fats. And fat fish, salmon and tuna, for example. They are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids.
Not only healthy, but it's absolutely it's good also, yeah.
It is very good. And I think that is the key here, because if you're just going to stop eating everything that's unhealthy and you don't really have a good replacement, it gets super boring. If your plan is to eat salad and dark bread for days and days and days, you will get really sick of it, and then it's a lot easier to get cravings. So I think it's good to make good options if you know that you're going to go down in weight or to avoid cravings. Make healthy food. If you cut fruits or have berries or have nuts and seeds and protein-packed meals, which is colorful, don't make it boring, because you're making it a lot harder for you. Make it colorful, tasty, delicious, but healthy, because then it is a lot easier to stay on your plan. Another very important thing is to stay hydrated. Thirst will often be mistaken with hunger or cravings. So you should drink a glass of water and then wait for 10 minutes. You might not actually be hungry.
And to remove triggers from your environment is a good one. If it's not in your home, you're less likely gonna crave it. And for me, I usually not used to buy snacks and candy to have in my home, because, believe it or not, but I actually get craving as well. And when I get those cravings, I not have some snacks and candy, and then it's more difficult to eat it. So then I have to drive and go to the shop. So that's a great one. Also, if I gonna go buy some snacks, I just buy a little bit, and then it get empty quickly, and then I not have any more again. And when I feel the cravings, I start to eat I eat a lot of healthy food, and I drink a lot of water, and then my stomach get full and my cravings goes away. So that's a great one. And replace junk food with healthier alternative you enjoy. And you have to identify the emotional trigger. Are you craving because you are stressed, bored, sad, or tired? When you know your trigger, it is less likely you will act upon them. Keep a journal and track when cravings happen. It reveals pattern. If it's emotional, try movement, breathing exercise, or calling a friend. The trick here is to distract yourself. Make yourself think about something else so you forget your cravings. And training helped me a lot to stay on track, because when I training, I put a lot of hard work and effort to training. And then I not want to put a lot of sugar, candy, and snacks and shit inside my body, because I have done so much hard training. So that actually helped me to eat more healthier. And your body is your temple. Back in the days when I was at the high school, a teacher told us that everyone in the world has got one house. And this house you're gonna have all your life, and you cannot replace and change this house. And do you know what the house is? He say, that is your body. And I never forgot that. That was a good one. So you have to take care of your body, because you cannot replace it. And your health is your wealth.
Very great words. And I think what you say here is extremely important. Distract yourself when you have cravings. Or you can also delay it. If you have cravings, they are usually temporary. They will pass within maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes usually. So do something else to shift your focus. As Joakim said, call a friend, go for a walk, clean your house, do something physically that kind of makes you forget it. You can also practice mindful eating. Slow down. And this is for Joakim that stands and eat breakfast. I hope you have stopped with that.
Between you and me, guys, I still do it. I say I'm gonna stop, But when I stand there and eating and think, oh, I'm so effective. I use my time so well. So I decide I'm never gonna stop that. But if some people are here together with me, okay, I can sit down and eat with them. But when I stay alone, I always gonna stand and eat.
And for you, that fuels you because you're super efficient with your time. And then that is your goal. And for other people that maybe struggles with obesity or overeating or cravings or these kind of things, it is very important to slow down, to eat with intention and focus on the flavor, the texture, and how you feel when eating. Because when you are mindful, you kind of reduce the impulsive eating and you will enjoy the food a lot more.
Yeah, I hear they say that. And they're probably right.
I think so. Oh, another very important thing is to get enough sleep. This is the foundation of everything. Whatever kind of topic you're looking into, sleep will be an important factor to it to make you better. The thing is that poor sleep disrupts the hormones that control hunger and satiety. So you should get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, then you will get fewer cravings.
And if you have total restriction, it actually can backfire. You can eat candy and snacks sometime, but you have to earn it first. Ask yourself, what am I really craving? Is it energy? Is it comfort? Is it a break? Replace food with what you truly need, whether it's rest, stimulation, or connection. Craving don't owe you. You just need the tools to respond instead of react. And this one is so important. I will actually say it one more time. Craving don't own you. You just need the tools to respond instead of react.
And I think it is also very important to remember fasting. We will make an entire episode about this because this is huge, has huge benefits on your health, on how you feel, on reducing cravings, on all of these things. So fasting, it will come some information to you guys on this podcast because it's super important, but we're working a lot on learning more about it to create an even better episode. Also, have these replacements. Make good food that you have available. Cut some fruits so that you have it easy. Choose that instead of trash food, you know? So make it easy for yourself. And if you know that you have a meeting, then you're back to back on certain things, meal prep. Bring some food along so that you avoid those dumps in blood sugar, because when you're down there is usually when you make the bad decisions. So bring along things to make it easier for you. Don't get yourself trapped.
This episode was recorded on the 16th of July 2025. In the show note, you will find the link to our homepage, the 101percentpodcast.com, where you can subscribe to a free weekly newsletter, donate to our podcast. If you could support us with a $2 coffee donation on our webpage, it will mean a lot to us, and all the information about subscription you need. If you like this episode, please share it with someone you care about. We share for you. Take care, respond instead of reacting to your cravings, and give it your best. It is important for us to get out our message so we can help as many people as possible. And we would highly appreciate it if you could take 1 minute of your time to follow us on social media and review the show on Apple Podcast and Spotify. All links are below. Our Instagram is the 101% podcast. Until next time, take care and go 101% into achieving your goals. You owe it to yourself.